So to fix it, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, and then try opening PowerShell as an administrator and then check. So you can copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the second command, paste it, hit the enter key, click on yes to allow, and let it install. I'm not installing, let me close this. Now if that does not work, run PowerShell without admin rights. So this time just type in PowerShell and do not make a right click. Don't run as administrator. So just type in PowerShell. Just type in PowerShell and then click on Windows PowerShell. And then you can run these two commands. Now still not working. In that case, you can run these two commands. Again, first of all, try to run PowerShell as an administrator and then check. If that does not work, then you can run PowerShell without administrator and then you can run these two commands and then check. Still not working. The next step is to, this time when you run PowerShell as an administrator, you try both as an administrator and without administrator. So first of all, try as an administrator, run this command and then you run this command, but this time you remove the D over here. So run this command. So D is removed and then you can run this command both as an administrator and without administrator and then check. Now still not working. The last step is to, you can use this web download. You can again open PowerShell as an administrator, run this command and then run this command. If that does not work, you can run PowerShell without administrator and then you can run these two commands. And one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.